This is the Shark Navigator Lift Away Professional Upright Vacuum. Before we get into this video, like, subscribe, and follow along for more healthy habits and home tricks. This Shark vacuum has a rating of 4.4 out of 5. It is perfect for any pet owners, and it swivels around to reach those hard reaching spots within your house. So the bottom detaches for any upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. It gently switches from carpet to bare floor. And again, it's perfect for pet owners. We have a few pets of our own. I have owned this vacuum for a few years, and it is my absolute favorite. The swivel steering helps to maneuver in and out of those tight spots, and there's a few attachments as well. So I will go over everything with you. So the top detaches from here. You have your brush, and then you also have this one as well. What you could do with this one is detach the bottom, and then you can use this for any of your corners, or maybe getting any of those cobwebs. And then again, you can just keep this detached if you want to do stairs or any of those tight spots, so then you don't have to be carrying the base around with you. It's very easily clean. So just take this off, got your canister, clean that out. You've got your filters here as well. So you just stick those back in, canister back on, and you have your switch here. So you have your bare floor and you have your carpet. It picks up amazing. It's just fabulous. I love how you can see the carpet lines afterwards. It just gives you that fresh look. I again highly recommend this vacuum. I love it so much. Go ahead and click on that link. Check out all the reviews as well. There is a lot of good things to hear about this vacuum and how people were so impressed and loved it. So go have a look and go grab yours.